Hello everyone, this is InfoComm 2026, and this is Hao from Goldlyck LED, which is a manufacturer of LED screen, have over 30 years experience. And today let me introduce some new version of our technologies. And for this one, this is a very convenient, the foldable P1.8 foldable LED poster screen. And this is textured, which can be customized, the different pictures or the mirrors and all the stone, whatever you like. You can customize the modules. And this is also GOB 1.8. And we can connect them together to be a whole screen, which is up to 6 screen to be a whole screen. This is very convenient because this is foldable, and we have a small flat case, which is very convenient to take in and take back. And the flat case have a ramp, so this is very convenient for some people who can rental and do some activities. And welcome to our website www.goldlyckled.com to see our more product. Thank you.